Hello and welcome to a Blendhow quick tip. In this quick tip you'll learn a basic video effect which is fading, and in this fading we'll be learning how to do a sort of transport effect where someone's there, well, someone isn't there in a scene and then suddenly they are. It's basically a transportation effect. It's just going to be using a simple fade, but I can show you what basically a simple fade can do. Now, this tutorial will be in Windows Movie Maker because it comes free with Windows, as far as I know. Otherwise, I would be using Video Studio, which is the one I use to edit my videos. It's basically just a quick sort of editing tip. So now, first thing we need to do is, first thing you need to do is film two videos, or short videos, and it can be let me show you. If I import these videos that I've made into collections, in the file thing there, let's use this and this. I would like to add, though, before I show you these videos, that this was done a very long time ago. I look very young and I have a very high voice. So, just to kind of minimalise my embarrassment there as I show them to you. So this is going to be the first clip. And the first clip is basically just of an empty scene. It doesn't have to be very long. In fact, this bit can just be a picture you take of it. And on the second clip will be from exactly the same angle. So exactly the same angle with the scene, the camera hasn't moved. But this time, you, or the person, or the object, or whatever, will be standing in the scene. And let's just show you this, and then you'll just be doing whatever you do. And you'll have to be very embarrassing as well, to make it work. So basically now, what you have to do is you have to drag both these clips into your storyboard down here. I should explain that they load the clips in these little folders here, so to switch between them, just click on these. So now you can do that. If your video is like that, then if they only appear like this, very thin, on your storyboard, on your timeline, I think it's called, then just put your mouse in here, in the timeline, press Control, hold down Control, and scroll out till you get this. And it seems that I've lost the other clip there, so I just drag over here. There we are. So here's clip 1, here's clip 2. So if we just go to the start and then press play, you'll get this. It just suddenly sort of jumps. Now that doesn't look brilliant. And so basically, the easy way to improve that is to go into video transitions. You see, you get loads of amazing looking transitions here. But to be honest, the simplest usually look the best. I mean, if you drag, say, an eye in here, then play that, it looks rubbish, really, doesn't it? To be honest, it just looks tacky. It looks like an amateur has done it, which they have, but you don't really want them to know, really, to be honest, do you? Actually, I'm going to switch to storyboard here, which it says here. Just by clicking this button to get this, because it's easier. I can just click this transition here and delete it. But instead I'm going to drag and fade. Now, if I press play, or click on here and then press play now, you see in this video here, now I'll play this again, it just fades very nicely, and it's quite realistic, really, as realistic as a transportation can be. So yeah, that's pretty good, and that's just basically the quick tip for now. Thank you for watching. I may do more on this sort of thing in the future, but for now that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.